Yep. Chef up a little thing. Now some fish I eat from last night. Watch me recook it and reinvent it in a night. Half side. I'll make it even better. Some herbs them. Yeah. Herbs them ready. Yeah. The leftover from last night ready. Watch what I go on there now. Show down. Watch what half side of fish I got done. Gourmet. Saute some of the herbs I know. Spin up something I know. Alright, so this is some ketchup mixed with some fish seasoning and a little soya sauce and black pepper salt, ginger extract. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let that go on. Do the thing, yeah. Left that for a few. Keep going with the thing. Then I put in the fish them on the bottom. Yeah? Turn that in a brown stew. Taste it. Alright, alright. Keep on with the thing. Alright. There's my fish. Two little bammy them. Cut onion left in that. Can't waste nothing. You know all the cabbage and then sit there. Yeah. Let that go and hold out. I never see leftovers eat like this before. Yeah, man. Alright. Ready? So now I work this now with the planting and then 2 pieces of bammy there. I'm now left back none. Going on party. What is under my mouth? Now a plate of food. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. If I cook over. Click, like, subscribe, share, follow Carnation Boss. I'm out.